Imagine you're learning a new skill, let's say playing chess. No one has explained the rules of it to you, and you've never seen a single game. Now imagine that someone just drops you into a chess tournament and you just start winning each game. That sounds ridiculous, right? Well, that's basically what zero shot learning is. It's when you throw AI into a situation where it has zero prior examples and it just figures its way out. This might sound like AI magic, but it's one of the biggest breakthroughs that models like ChatGPT and Google Gemini work on. And once you understand this, you'll realize AI is way powerful than you think. So let's break this down and understand what is zero shot learning. At its core, it means that AI can now recognize, analyze, and generate information on things that it has never been trained upon. For example, let's say that you'd ask ChatGPT to translate an ancient Latin phrase. Even though it was never trained on that exact sentence, how does it know the translation? Instead of memorizing every possible question, AI uses patterns, relationships, and context clues to make intelligent guesses. Kind of like how you can guess the meaning of a foreign phrase just because you know a few words in that language, but you don't know that language at all. Zero shot learning is the reason that AI can handle new challenges, weird questions, and unexpected problems without having tons of training. Companies like Google and Amazon use zero shot learning in their AI chatbots. Even if they receive a question that they've never seen before, the chatbot is able to answer it based on related knowledge that it has. In healthcare, AI can analyze medical symptoms and detect rare conditions even if it has never seen that exact case before. And financial institutions use this for fraud detection. If the AI has never seen a specific scam before, but it recognizes a pattern and it looks suspicious, it can flag the transaction right away. All of this is possible because AI doesn't need a perfect match. It can generalize and get an idea of the answer based on context. Instead of memorizing facts like a textbook, AI learns by understanding the relationships between words, ideas, and concepts. Let's say an AI has never seen the word ferret before, but it knows what a weasel is, and it has seen that ferrets and weasels are used in similar ways. So here, it doesn't need a perfect match because it can just piece the puzzle based on what it already knows. And that is why zero shot learning is such a game changer. Instead of retraining AI on every new problem, you can just build AI systems that adapt on the fly. So now you know why AI doesn't need to actually see something to truly understand it. But what if I told you that AI can teach itself and get better over time? That's what we're going to cover next on how AI can go from zero shot learning to few shot learning and get smarter every time it sees new information. If you found this useful, then wait till you see how AI trains itself because things are about to get way crazier. See you in the next one.